Welcome to another video of Codehunters. In this video, we will see how we can create dynamic selectors in UiPath. The dynamic selectors uses a variable or an argument as a property for the attribute of your target tag. This allows the selector to easily identify a target element based on the value of the variable or argument. The value of this variable might change depending on the interaction inside your process. So let's take an example. Here I have a calculator opened. So suppose the user inputs the value 1 and I want to click 1. So we can click 1, but in the next time the user may come and give the value as 5. So the selector should automatically get updated and can be clicked on 5. Here I am in UiPath and a blank process is open. Drag and drop the assign activity and let's create a variable and call it number to click. And for now let's assign a value 5. Now we want to click 5 on this calculator. So let's drag and drop the click activity and indicate the button 5 on the screen. Once we have indicated, click on this hamburger menu and click on this edit selector. Let me increase the size of this window. Here we can see the unique identifier is the two properties automation ID and name. So here for now we can remove this automation ID and click on validate and highlight, and it should highlight the button 5. Yeah, so our selector is working. Next thing, we will make this name property a dynamic. So we'll delete this and right click on here and click on use variable and select the variable that we have created. This is number to click and click on confirm. So now this number to click variable will act as the placeholder. So whatever the value of this variable will be assigned to this name value. So let's click on OK and I will open the calculator. It's 0 now. So if I run this, it should click on 5. So let's run it and it clicked on 5. And suppose we want to click on the button 2, so we will go ahead and we can update this value as 2 and we can run again. So now it should click on this 2. So it's clicking on 2. So this is how you use variables in a selector. The text version of this video is also available on our website codehunters.in. Hope this helps and I will see you in the next video.